Book of Heaven, Volume 11, October 2nd, 1913. When the human will unites to the divine will, the life of Jesus is formed in the soul. The soul who does the will of God can say that her life is ended, continuing in my usual state. Blessed Jesus made himself seen inside of me, but so identified with me that I could see his eyes within mine, his mouth within mine, and so with the rest. While I saw him like this, he said to me,
"My daughter, look at how I identify myself with the soul who does my will, making myself one with her. I become her very life, because my will is inside and outside of that soul. It can be said that my will is like the air that she breathes, which gives life to everything, like light that makes one see and understand everything, like heat that warms, fecundates, and makes one grow, like heart that palpitates, like hands that work, like feet that walk. And when the human will unites to my volition, my life is formed in the soul."
Then, having received communion, I was saying to Jesus, "I love you." And he told me,
"My daughter, do you really want to love me? Say, 'Jesus, I love you,' with your will. And since my will fills heaven and earth, your love will surround me everywhere, and your 'I love you' will resound up there in the heavens and down to the bottom of the abysses. In the same way, if you want to say, 'I adore you, I bless you, I praise you,' you will say it united with my will, and will fill heaven and earth with adorations, with blessings, with praises, with thanksgivings. In my will, things are simple, easy, and immense. My will is everything, so much so that my very attributes, what are they? A simple act of my will. So if justice, goodness, wisdom, fortitude follow their course, my will precedes them, accompanies them, and places them in the attitude of operating. In sum, they do not move one point from my volition. Therefore, whoever takes my will takes everything. Even more, she can say that her life is ended the weaknesses, the temptations, the passions, the miseries, because all things lose their rights in one who does my will, for my will has primacy over everything and right to everything."